Hello there, welcome to my first Will It Start video. A couple of weeks back I found a chainsaw at the garbage dump yard. So this is a Husqvarna. It's a 1997 model, it's a 254 XPG. So it was in, I would say, quite good condition, except for a couple of bumps here and there, and of course a lot of debris. The chainsaw board was quite bent. The chain, however, looks quite new. So I started by removing the cover, and as you can see here, it's a lot of debris. So I removed the air take filter, and it's very dusty. So of course ideally I should replace it, but just for now I just blew some air into it to clean it a little bit. Then it was time to look at the spark plug, and of course I should have covered the intake for the carburetor here, but anyways. I removed the spark plug, and the spark plug was really full of debris and dust, and oil, so I think I need to remove it. So I found a used one that I had in my shop, and I replaced it. So I had to check out the choke, and it looks okay. I think this is a kind of a professional saw because it's called G, and that means that it has a heated handle. So it was probably quite expensive when it was new in 1997. Then I removed the safety brake to look at the chainsaw bar. As you can see here, there's a lot of debris and dust in here. Even some grass, as you can see, so this really needs to be fixed. So I happen to have a bar lying around, so I just added my old bar and an old chain that I had lying around, just to see if it could work now. So I tightened the chain. I have to clean it a little bit first. The chain brake was not really in good condition, so it was full of debris and lots of dust. It was quite stuck. So I think I might need to replace it later. So putting it back together and tightening the bolts. As you can see, the handlebar is quite bent actually, so I think I need to do something with the handlebar. You see, it's really touching the brake layer there. Just need to refill it to see if it starts. So I think we're ready to just see if it starts. There was some issues with the throttle there, so it seemed to me that there was something missing there in the throttle. And after looking at it for a while, I found out that there was there was a bolt missing. So I just replaced it with some threads there now to see if, just to test it. I had to order a new bolt there. So we're ready to try again. There we go, free chainsaw. Thank you for watching, hope to see you soon, and remember to subscribe and like the video, and I will be back with a new video where I renovate this chainsaw. Goodbye.